Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from stocks on Revolut. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open the investment section. So let's launch the Revolut app. On your device, tap on the Invest tab on the bottom navigation menu, and this will allow you to access your investment portfolio. From here, you're going to go and select stocks from your investment options and then locate and tap on the withdraw button to begin the entire withdrawal process. You need to go ahead and enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. So specify this exactly and then go ahead and finalize the withdrawal to transfer funds to your Revolut account balance. Now, this will be making them available for spending or even bank transfers. A very important note is that you must first sell your stock to convert them to cash before initiating a withdrawal. Once the funds are in your Revolut balance, you can use your Revolut card for purchases or even transfers of money directly to your linked bank account.